Introducing the 2020 Skoda Scala STY 1.0 TSI 95 HP4 door in sleek grey. This hatchback is packed with features including air conditioning, cruise control, smartphone connectivity, lane departure warning, and more. With a 1-litre engine and manual transmission, this car offers a smooth and efficient driving experience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The Scala also boasts stylish privacy glass and a luxurious interior trim. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit our website spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive away in style and comfort today.